3, 2, 1. Hello guys. At the moment we are at the Yellowstone. This is not Yellowstone, right? I thought it's Yellowstone.
Alright guys, so as of right now, we're in Yosemite, you know what I'm saying? We're out here by the river right now, trying to figure out if we should swim or not, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Look at the view. It's not bad, eh? But yeah, we're just out here living. Oh. Alright guys, so we at the trying to get a different shot, you know what I'm saying? Different view, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit, I'm tired. Bro. Alright guys, so we made it, you know what I'm saying? We made it halfway. But yeah, look at the view guys. See that? It's a beautiful view, eh? But yeah, we're trying to get to the top. Trying to get up there, all the way up there, you know. Yeah. See how it goes. See what we find once we get up there, right? So peace. See you there.
Look at these two guys over here. Oh my gosh.
Go right now. Go right, Roma. Oh, the song went 4, 5 seconds from wildlife. And I'm trying to make it back home by my day.
May we don't moon it the lotto. May we don't know play long way. Yeah.
He's high here.
Yep.
We'll go all the way.
Just so you know that.
Hello, ma.
Alright guys, so we made it up here all the way up. Gotta get back down a little bit. We hiked too far up, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
so
stay in school, okay?
Yeah, let's
like us.
Let's get back down there. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get to a different spot, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, out here. Yosemite.
I'm high.
Hide in the motherfucker. Holy shit, guys, we made it. We made it!
Yay!
Alright guys, so earlier, you know what I'm saying? Earlier we were like up there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, up there. Oh shit, let's go up there.
Are you? That's probably the trail where they show us.
Yeah. But yeah. But we're trying to go this way, you know what I'm saying? So.
Oh, it's something to bite me.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
We made it. Mama, I made it.
Anybody come here?
Mama, I made it. Alright guys. We made it to the top, you know what I'm saying? It's like nobody up here at all.
Start from the
Just
bottom
us.
over here though.
We didn't want to be down there with the rest and be like everybody else. So guess what we got? We got this. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful, right? Woo. Holy shit. So there's like people down there. And we're like, yeah, all down there all the way. And we're like up here. Yeah. This is some shit, bro. Whew. But yeah guys, you know, if you want to be different, do something different, you know, you gotta be the few. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be the few that hike up and sacrifice. It's gonna be hard, it's not gonna be easy, but hey,
happy, we don't care.
At the end, it's worth it, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Woo!
idea.
Nope. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Woo!
That's all. I would like them. I like that.
Alright guys, so anyways, I'm here in Yosemite, you know. We hiked up here, we made it. We're actually the only ones here right now. There's two ladies behind the camera and you know, Christine back there. But yeah, the view is awesome. It's better than the views down there, you know. Everybody was down there taking their pictures and I wasn't feeling it, so I wanted to be different and do something different. So we hiked up here. We made it like halfway and it was whack. So we were confused, but I flew out my drone and then I saw this place in my drone and then we just decided to hike up here, continue, and then we actually went past it up there, but then we actually had to make our way down south a little bit and then come up here. Yeah, as of right now we're just chilling, relaxing, waiting for the sunset, you know. It's pretty cool. It's good to be out here. No rush. We're not feeling it. We're not in a rush or anything. We don't have to go back down there in a certain time, you know. So yeah, that's what life is about, you know. Having enough time to do what you want and push yourself, you know. Hiking up here wasn't easy, and it was like about 3 hours hike with a little bit of rest. But yeah, it's all good, you know. We made it. It's also a very steep hike too. It's not just like a regular hike, you know. So yeah, but I'm proud of ourselves. Yeah, we made it. So yeah, just when you come up here, this is there's a tunnel view down there. This is called the old inspiration point, but actually if you look on the map, it's gonna take you up, so you just gotta kind of know where you're going and be careful, and you know, I don't know, I don't give a Alright guys, anyways, I see you guys in the next vlog, you know what I'm saying? Peace. Peace out, you know what I'm saying? We out here. Good shit, man. I'm out this bitch. I don't even know what to say. How to talk no more. I don't know how to talk no more, you know what I'm saying?